If you can't make it up a single flight of stairs without stopping to catch your breath, I need you to hear this. This is not a lung problem. This is not an age problem. This is a muscle problem, and it is one you can fix. You have probably been told to just lose weight, or that your heart is weak, or that this is simply what happens after 50. But that is not the full story. The real culprit is hiding in plain sight. As a medical professional who has studied exercise physiology for over 15 years, I can tell you, your diaphragm is not the problem. Your quads are. When your leg muscles are too weak to push you up the stairs efficiently, your body compensates by dramatically increasing your heart rate and breathing. It is not your lungs failing. It is your muscles demanding more oxygen than your body can deliver. Today, I am going to show you exactly why this happens and give you 5 simple exercises that will rebuild the specific muscles responsible for stair climbing. Within 4 to 6 weeks of daily practice, most people report climbing 2 to 3 flights without stopping. Let me show you the science first. The quadriceps is the largest muscle group in the human body. It is the primary engine that drives you up every single step. When this muscle atrophies, which happens naturally after 40 at a rate of about 1% per year, every stair becomes a cardiovascular emergency. Here is what actually happens when you climb stairs with weak quadriceps. Each step requires your muscles to generate force they can barely produce. Your body responds by flooding the system with adrenaline, spiking your heart rate, and forcing rapid, shallow breathing. This is called oxygen debt. Your lungs work perfectly. It is your muscles that are bankrupt. But there is a deeper problem. Inside every muscle cell are thousands of mitochondria, the power plants, that convert oxygen into energy. When you are sedentary, these mitochondria shrink and die. Fewer mitochondria means your muscles burn through oxygen faster and produce more waste. This is why your legs burn and you gasp for air at the same time. The good news is that muscle responds to stimulus faster than almost any other tissue. These 5 exercises specifically target the muscles and energy systems required for stair climbing. Exercise number 5. Stand behind a sturdy chair for balance. Rise up onto your toes as high as you can, hold for 2 seconds, then lower slowly over 3 seconds. Repeat 15 times. This strengthens your calf muscles, the secondary pump that pushes blood back up to your heart during stair climbing. Your calf muscle acts like a second heart. Each time it contracts, it squeezes the deep veins and pushes deoxygenated blood upward against gravity. When this pump is weak, blood pools in your lower legs, reducing the oxygen available to your quadriceps. Stronger calves mean better circulation and less gasping. Exercise number 4. Find a sturdy step, about 6 to 8 inches high. A bottom stair works perfectly. Step up with your right foot, bring the left foot up to meet it, then step down leading with the right foot. Do 10 repetitions on each side. Start slow. This is the exact movement pattern of stair climbing in a controlled environment. Step-ups teach your brain and muscles to coordinate the exact sequence needed for stair climbing. Hip flexion, knee extension, ankle stabilization all at once. This builds the neuromuscular programming that tells your body how to be efficient on stairs. Efficiency means less oxygen demand and less gasping. Exercise number 3, the wall sit. Lean your back flat against a wall, slide down until your thighs are parallel to the floor or as close as you can get. Hold this position. Start with 15 seconds and build up to 60. Your legs will shake. That shaking is your muscle fibers being recruited for the first time in years. Wall sits are an isometric exercise. Your muscles generate force without moving. This increases the capillary density inside the muscle, delivers more oxygen per contraction, and directly increases the number of mitochondria. More power plants, more energy, less gasping. Exercise number 2. Stand facing a kitchen counter or the back of a sturdy chair. Hold on lightly for balance. Lower yourself into a squat, go as deep as your knees comfortably allow. Push back up through your heels. Do 15 repetitions at a pace of 2 seconds down, 1 second pause, 2 seconds up. Squats activate all 4 heads of the quadriceps simultaneously. the vastus lateralis, medialis, intermedius, and rectus femoris. Research shows that just 6 weeks of squat training can increase quadriceps strength by 20 to 30%. That translates directly to fewer stairs that leave you breathless. We have strengthened the calves, trained the stair pattern, built endurance walls, and powered up the quads. But there is one more muscle that makes or breaks your ability to climb stairs, and most people have never even heard of it. Exercise number 1, and the most important. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Press your heels into the ground and lift your hips toward the ceiling. Squeeze your glutes hard at the top for 3 seconds. Lower slowly. Repeat 20 times. Why are glutes the number 1 exercise? The gluteus maximus provides up to 35% of the total force during stair climbing. When your glutes are dormant from sitting all day, your quadriceps must do the work of 2 muscle groups. That doubles the oxygen demand. Waking up the glutes is like turning on a second engine. The load is shared, the heart rate drops, and breathing normalizes. After completing this sequence, stand up and walk around for 30 seconds. You may already notice that your legs feel warmer and more alive. That is blood flowing into muscles that have been starving. Do this routine every morning before your first cup of coffee. Those 5 exercises are your daily stair climbing rebuild routine. But there is a bonus technique that most physical therapists never mention. It has nothing to do with your muscles, it has to do with how you breathe on the stairs. Most people hold their breath or breathe erratically when climbing stairs. Instead, synchronize your breathing with your steps. Breathe in through your nose for 2 steps, then out through pursed lips for 3 steps. This 2 to 3 rhythm keeps your diaphragm engaged, prevents oxygen debt, and reduces the gasping reflex by up to 40%. Second bonus. Most people climb stairs by pushing off their toes. This wastes energy. Instead, place your entire foot on the step and push through your heel. This shifts the workload from your calves to your glutes and quads, the big engines. Less wasted energy means less gasping. And the third bonus, slow down. Climbing stairs at a slower, controlled pace reduces your oxygen consumption by up to 25%. There is no prize for speed. Take each step deliberately. Your body will thank you. Here is your daily stair climbing rebuild plan. Every morning, 20 glute bridges, 15 supported squats, hold a wall, sit starting at 15 seconds, 10 step-ups each side, and 15 calf raises. Total time, under 12 minutes. On the stairs, full foot, heel drive, 2 to 3 breathing rhythm, controlled pace. You must know what to expect. Week 1 to 2. Your legs will feel sore, but stairs will already feel slightly easier. Week 3 to 4. You can climb an extra flight before stopping. Week 6. This is the breakthrough, stairs begin to feel normal again. Month 3. Stairs become something you barely think about. Every flight of stairs is a test that your body gives you. Right now, your body is failing that test, not because it is broken, but because it has forgotten how to perform. These exercises are not about getting fit, they are about getting your independence back. Commit to this routine for 30 days. Do not skip, do not rush, just 12 minutes every morning. And the next time you face a flight of stairs, you will feel the difference. Your body already has everything it needs. You just need to wake it up. I will see you at the top. If you found this helpful, send this video to someone you care about who struggles with stairs. Subscribe for the next episode where I reveal the exercise that can reverse years of knee pain. Take care of your body. It is listening.